U band as well as H2S, right? It's a combined, right?
Yes. This is the area inlet facility vicinity a sub gas plant, and this is the existing pipe rack where the existing pig launcher receivers are there. So after that, there is a future space which we have kept for the pig receiver. After that, we have placed our new moisture analyzer and H2S analyzer here. And accordingly,
I
pipe
think
tappings will be taken from the rack.
yeah, there is no detection as such here. I think there is no H2S detection here.
We have to cover. We have to take a review the FNG coverage for this scheme. Yeah.
Okay.
Good guys. So
the size and all you want to see, sir. The size.
Length and width and height.
Length, width, height.
Sudeep, are you sharing something for the details?
No. Skid.
Let me open the plot plan.
I think this will also vary from vendor to vendor, Sudeep, right? Now, once you finalize the vendor.
Yes. That is why we vendor will not be finalized in this stage, sir. Okay. So what we did, we take the maximum one out of the all three.
This is
and then
tentative width and length.
So 47 is mm or what? This inch?
47 is mm.
So 4.7. 4.7 meter. Huh?
That will be a requirement of
taking
the
cushion.
Yeah.
1.7 and 1.4, sir. I mean, actually it's 1.7 meter and width is 1.4 meter. And this 1.7
meter, 1 meter actual width and 1.754 is length of this moisture analyzer, and same is applicable for H2S analyzer. So this is some pedestals, then sunshade, sunroof will be there for the analyzer. That considering that all these details will be maximum, this size will be there.
4.7, yeah. Okay, good. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay. Anything else, Rakesh?
No, it's
One
a
question,
quite significant size. Yeah.
Yes.
Sudeep, you discussed the point of this sample probe, right? Whether it will be retrievable or non-retrievable. So one of the vendors you mentioned that he is not recommending. So what is our way forward? Because it also is a hazard, right?
Yes. Way forward, sir. Actually, I received from one